How to write fraction on Google Docs. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the easiest way. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, so here we are. So I have already opened my Google Docs application here. So let me take one blank page. Okay, so here you can use the fractions. For that we need to go in is tools here. Sorry, go to the insert and we need to go in the equations options. Now let me just increase it. Go to the insert, go to the equations, and here we have already take the new equation. Okay, you can take the new equation from here, and now go to this option, math operations, and take this option first, which is fractions. Okay, so you can type the your top number of fraction and hit the enter and write the below number of fractions. Now select the fraction like this, or hit the control plus A. No, just select like this and just the increase the size like this. Okay, you need to select that fraction and double click on it, it will be select like this. Now the increase the your size. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.